morning! Get ready with me in Shanghai as I tell you what's inside my travel makeup bag. For sunscreen, I love how this gives my skin a plump, glowy look. It kinda evens out my complexion. Since I use the Misha BB cream for my base, I also like using the primer. I like using a spatula when applying my primer. And this is the BB cream I was talking about. I guess you've seen this in almost all of my Get Ready With Me's. Of course, I still use a spatula for my BB cream. So today, I guess we're gonna go to Huaihai Lu, Anfu Lu, and then Xintiandi, baka ganyan. Anyway, I might do a mini vlog. I'm not sure. I think I'm doing something right with my skincare routine. I'm noticing lesser bumps, especially here at the cheek area. Let's have a breakfast break. So today we're having noodle soup. What do you call this in English? Fried bun? Basta in short, in Chinese, jian pao yan. And then, milk tea. Cheers! For blush, I'm using this one. Super nice kasi ng finish. It's like super glowy. Nipo-focus ko lang siya sa like end parts of my brows. Para ombre effect. Like dito dark, dito light. Is it just me or it's like so hard to curl your lashes? Example, like I'm getting ready inside the room, tas walang aircon, ganyan. Edi ang init, diba? So, ayaw mag-curl ng lashes ko, which is why I always curl my lashes sa car. Like, pag nakasettle na ako sa car, may aircon, you know, di ba, malamig na. Tsaka tumataas yung lashes ko, kaya my goodness. Okay, done curling my lashes and putting on eyeliner, and my God, ayan, bumabagsak na naman lashes ko, hero. For lips, again, I'm using this For You 2 lip balm. This is super nice. Like, look, this is the first time my lip product has this, like, lip shape, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm topping it off with this Clarins lip oil. See you in my next Get Ready With Me.